Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You open Quotex and pick your asset and time frame, then add indicators right away so you trade with context. Start with RSI 14 and 2 moving averages, EMA 20 and SMA 50 to see momentum versus trend. Once done, color code each line and enable the grid so signals stand out. This reduces confusion in fast markets. Make sure to save the layout as a template. That way you don't rebuild indicators each session, and you can focus on reading the signals. You now combine trend and momentum. First, confirm the trend with moving averages, EMA relative to SMA, and then check RSI for strength. If EMA sits above SMA and RSI is rising but not above 70, you have a trend that can continue. Conversely, watch for divergence between price highs and RSI for weakening momentum. Once you see a pullback to the moving average and a confirming candle pattern, place your trade. This step reduces false entries and aligns you with how you complete the trade by defining risk and an exit plan. Place stop loss beyond the recent swing and risk 1 to 2% of your account. Set a profit target at least twice your risk, or use a trailing stop tied to the EMA. If indicators give mixed messages, do not force the trade. Pause and reassess timeframe alignment and input settings. Make sure your indicator periods match your timeframe. This troubleshooting tip prevents noise-driven mistakes and keeps your strategy consistent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.